What's up guys, my name's Scott and today we have got something very exciting to unbox. I can't wait. So to give you guys a bit of an idea of what we're doing today, I recently had a request through my Fiverr account to do a commission for somebody, and it was something quite amazing, something that I wouldn't normally be able to afford or buy myself. So having the opportunity to be able to paint this for somebody is brilliant. It's part of the commission process that I enjoy and some of the stuff that I enjoy doing most. So this came in the post today. It's come all the way from America, so it's taken a little while to get here. From what I can see, looking at this item on the website, it's from Creaturecasters. It's saying that it's on pre-order, so I've got it, and I have got it, but I'm very, very excited for this model, and I think it's about time we got to work and we see what's inside this box. So, as I alluded to, I'm really interested to see what's inside this box. It is a model that is through Creaturecaster, and I think I'm going to probably open the box first and show you what's inside it, and then kind of show you what it should look like when I've finished. But this is a project that I'm going to be doing over the next few videos, I think, so I'm going to be quite careful to open it. I'm guessing it hasn't come in the box that it was originally bought in, because I don't know how it comes from Creaturecaster, if I'm honest. Actually, it's not something I've ever looked at, but I'm very interested to see. Oh, it does come in the original box. Oh goddamn! We got some American tissue paper, which is probably the most important thing inside this box. Oh goddamn! Okay, so now that this bad boy is out, let's put that away so I don't friggin' cut myself. And now that we've got this bad boy box, this is amazing. This is the first thing I've ever seen and I've ever used or ever built or painted from Creaturecaster. And I want to do a really good job on this, and I'm excited to see what I can do with it. And I've kind of got my outline of what it's going to be, and oh my god, look at this box. Yeah, it says on their website that this is one of the most detailed models that they do. So I'm very excited to see how this is going to go. Let's go. Okay. Oh god damn! Look at this. Look how intricate this is. There's some arms there. We've got the head. Oh, some tapestries, some tassels. Amazing. What have we got here? Oh, this is part of the base. Look at this. This is part of the bottom part. Oh my god. It's got eyes. And it's got some stuff on it. I think it's going to need some flashing cut off it, which is going to be fine. We're going to take some of this flashing and some of the mould bits off it. Not a problem whatsoever. But goddamn, it's got some teeth and some mouth and some eyes. It's got a lot. This is going to be a big project. This is going to be a very, very big project. I'm excited to see how it's going to go. Oh my god. Does that give it away? Does that give it away from the Creaturecaster website, if you've ever looked? Probably does. That's probably the most prominent piece on it. Oh my god. There's going to be so much stuff to cut off and build on this, but I'm excited. I've got a bit of time to do this. I'm excited to see how it's going to be. Oh my god. The detail on these pieces are absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I think when I paint it, I'm trying to think of the best way to kind of attack this for when I'm building it, but I think the best way for me to paint it and to do it is going to be to maybe blue tack it while I spray stuff and get some fades going before I start thinking about doing the detail, and then I can take the parts apart. Oh my god, this. Look at that. Good goddamn. That is some finely detailed shiz there, right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like I want to tip the whole box. Should we just tip the box out now? We're getting towards the bottom of it, aren't we? Oh my god. This is sick! I love it. Even the base. That just goes to show in terms of scale. Oh my god, it's even got a logo on the bottom. Can you get that? Yeah, look at that. Oh my god. Sick. Just in terms of scale, that's the base. That's the base. That's a Poxwalker. That's a Poxwalker. Yeah, it's rather large. It's large. It's going to be a big piece. I'm very excited to start slapping this together. Obviously, these are going to need some pilot holes drilling and stuff to get it to fit. The flashings are going to need to come in off it, but you can kind of get a bit of a shape going of how this is going. Oh my god, look at that. This is going to be sexy. This is going to be a sexy beast. It's going to take me hours to get rid of the flashing and stuff to make sure it's a good job. It's going to need filing. It's going to need sanding. It's going to need cutting with a knife. And maybe some clippers and some stuff. But I can't even these pieces. Look at this. Let's get one of the detail pieces out, shall we? Let's get some detail out. Look at the book, for Christ out loud. Gee, Joanna, look at that bad boy. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. This is gonna be sick. I've never used Creature Caster, and I feel like this is going to be something that's going to be very, very cool. If I'm honest, these are the parts that I'm looking forward to painting most, as well as the main figure. These are the parts that I'm looking forward to painting the most, because that just looks amazing. Straight off the bat, that looks amazing. The detail of the little eyes and the feathers and stuff inside here, that again needs some flashing taken off just the edges to make it nice and smooth, but I'll probably sand that down to get a nice smooth edge. But yeah, when these are put together, I don't know if it actually goes behind it like that, I think it probably does. When these are put together and all these eyes are painted and all this is done, it's going to be incredibly detailed. It's probably going to be one of the most picturesque pieces I've ever painted. Yeah, there you go there, look. They've got a little ridge that goes there. Yeah, this is easily going to be one of the most picturesque pieces I've ever built. It comes with 0 instructions, so this is going to be something I've got to build and kind of research into. To give you guys a bit of a head up for future, I'm probably going to do maybe 2 videos, I think, on painting this. Probably first getting the first initial layers down as a video, and then potentially finishing it, or maybe cram it into one. I don't know. It depends how much detail you guys want to see. So I'm going to pop this video up as a preamble before I show you my first Fiverr commission. So there's a little bit of a preview for you. If you've watched this far, you're going to see that my next video is my first ever Fiverr commission. This is my second ever Fiverr commission. So full on balls out, why not? Let's do it. If we're going to do it, let's do it right. So I'm very excited to do this. I'm super excited to paint a model like this. This isn't something that I'd normally think about buying or have the money spare to do this. So the ability to do this without being on a budget because someone else has ultimately bought it and they want it painted is phenomenal. There is an absolute ton of details on this. You've even got, I'm looking at the bottom here, you've got teeth and you've got eyes, but then you've also got skulls in it as well, and you've got a few more teeth inside there. You've got some eyes going up there, the parts here that's going to join on. Because it's resin, I'm going to have to use super glue, so I'm not going to be able to melt it with anything. It's going to have to be done using super glue instead of plastic glue, which is fine by me, but I'm going to have to be very careful not to get any paint on this because I don't want the paint to chip off when it's in transit. This has got to go back to America. Back to America, it's got a far way to go, but oh my god, this is very cool. In terms of colour scheme, I'll give you a bit of a heads up with it. I've been asked to do the demon parts, the tendrils and stuff here. All these parts are going to be done in blue for Tzeentch, or Tzeentch, or whatever you call him. The Lord of Change, basically. These are going to be blue. The waifu in the middle, there's her arms. There's the waifu's arms. She's going to be done in flesh tone. And oh, there's her other arms, look. No, what are these? Are these legs? These are legs. The waifu's legs. Where's the waifu's beak? I've seen it earlier. There she is. Look how pretty she is. You know you want to marry that, you go and take that home. Show it off to your mama. Yeah, there's a waifu's beak. We're gonna paint that part of it blue going into the rest of the demon part, if that makes sense. Going into the body, which is going to be a flesh tone. And then ultimately what we've been asked for with this commission, and what I'm going to go for, is something that wouldn't seem out of place in 1000 Suns 40k army. So we're going to be going heavy with the blues and the golds and the brasses and the bright contrasting yellow colour versus blue colour with some flesh tones. Very, very, very excited. I cannot wait, and I hope you guys can't wait either. This is going to be sick. So as you guys saw, we have an amazing, very detailed creature caster model that's been sent to us for part of a commission, and I'm excited to do it. To give you a bit of background on it as a final thought, this has been commissioned as a basic commission, so not really any hedge highlighting or anything like that, but that's not what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to use this as an opportunity to kind of use it as content for you guys, and also as a learning experience for me to see just how far I can push myself as a painter. It's going to take a long time to do this, so don't expect to see the video for the next few weeks, but what I would like to do is kind of get your feedback on it. So if you'd like to see the model being built as one episode and then painted over the span of 2 episodes, then leave a comment. If you'd like to see it done all in one, just let us know, and I'm happy to do it that way. But ultimately, thanks for sticking around so far. If you enjoy what you see and you're excited to see more, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and then also share the video around with your mates. I can't wait to get this project started, guys. I'm so stoked. We'll see you next week.